for the Canoly JE-68 juicer. This like brand has like a bunch of different like models available. So this is just one that has like a snap like lid. Anyway, so this part goes down first. It's like the base with the pulp spout and the juice spout. Locks and unlocks. Then you put this spiral auger in. It just like presses down. You kind of got to spin it into place. That way it's on the motor. And then this goes in. You got to lock it into place. I think it locks maybe, yeah, like this. There we go. Now that that's on, we've got our 2 cups. This one is for the juice. This one is, you can kind of use them however you want. We're gonna see if this like works well for the pulp, and then if not, maybe we'll just use a bowl. And then I'll just leave this maybe like on the unlock mode. This is gonna have to come out. There we go.
Did this go into the motor?
Yeah, it did. So we're gonna be putting the stalks in there and stuff.
And we got all this.
Okay, well, I guess so the switch is in the back behind the handle. So what should we try first? We try the celery first?
Sure, whatever you like.
Okay, I'm gonna try the celery first. I'll turn it on back here. Oh, that's reverse. It's on. Maybe it's not on the motor right. Let me try to get this right.
See this?
I don't think it was on the motor right.
You just jam it on there?
Yes.
It goes in a certain way.
Well, it's on, but let's see.
It has to twist. There.
Ah, there we go. Now it's on. Okay. Take 2.
We only do 1 take here.
There. Now it's in place. Back in. Juice. And turn it on.
Alright, so that's the end of the review.
Great model, guys.
Doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off and troubleshoot.
We figured out why it wouldn't start. It's because this was open, so it won't run if this is open because it's like a safety
There's
lock.
a safety thing there.
That makes sense.
So show them how it works.
So see, now that it's open, it won't work. When you pop it down, then it works. Which kind of sucks because the feeding hole is a little bit small. It's not the smallest, but I guess you just turn it off and you put something big in it, and then you turn it back on again.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna try with the celery first.
Hold on, before you do. Noise level, I'd say it's not too noisy.
Quite quiet.
Yeah.
That's really not that bad.
Maybe let's just talk when it's not running, just so it's not.
That's probably a smart idea.
Yeah.
Anyway, as I was saying while I was running this, I guess you can throw the smaller stuff in, and then once you want to put something big in, you're just gonna have to turn it off and then put it in, close the lid, and then start it again.
Okay, let's give it a shot.
Let's
Hold on. Make sure the cups are in
that's
place.
smart. Okay.
First time juicer here.
Yes, I've never juiced before. Oh, the juice is coming out.
Next.
Okay, we'll put some more salt.
Yeah, just keep feeding it.
Pretty dry. Okay. There's some more celery in. See how much celery it can handle.
Let's try
carrot
next.
Yeah, let's try a carrot.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's crushing that carrot. So we can use the reverse button too to like kind of block it. So that's just on the back here. You'll press, so on is up and then reverse is down. So I'll just reverse it a little bit. Oh, you just gotta hold it. Oh, what? You gotta, like,
make sure the juice, hold on.
Yeah. Okay. It's a bit weird. We'll press on again now. That's weird.
Is the lid locked down?
No, it's... Okay.
Is the lid clicked down?
Oh, yeah, it's clicked down.
We're learning here.
I should have reversed
Where are
that.
the spots?
It's just spouting that carrot out. It's making the carrot like a champ, actually.
Yeah, I knew it was.
I thought that it was getting blocked up.
He's got to stuff more in there.
It is crunching it.
Next, keep it going. Keep it going, beat.
Okay. I just don't want to overload it.
Oh, that's why there's a big old feed tube.
Ooh, the beet juice
I
is
know,
coming out.
beet juice is like very...
Right. Oh, yeah, some of the pulp of the beet is coming out.
Probably full of nutrients.
It's like,
I think it's best to put a bowl there.
Yeah.
Serious.
serious with the juice.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And it comes with a plunger if you want to help it along.
Maybe I'll get another bowl or something.
It's fine, just give it a little shake. Yeah.
I've got one whole beet. I'm just gonna, because it won't fit through the hole here, so I'm just gonna pop the lid off.
Chuck it in. Put
I'll
it.
chuck a couple apples in there
Yeah.
while I'm at it. Some apples.
Apples. Boom.
And
Feed it up.
I'll put the ginger in there too.
Ooh, we're going ginger.
And then we'll just see how that goes.
Oh, crunchy.
It smells good. I'll put some more apples in. Open this up. I feel like we're probably gonna need a bigger container now that we've got some apples. Although apples are mostly pretty juicy, so
Yeah, let's see.
see.
I think it will take it all.
Okay.
Maybe not the pulp, but
Pop the whole apple in there.
that's the rest.
No, I've got another half apple.
I'd say
Just throw it all?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. It's got an apple and a half. Juicy. Oh, that's the flow right there. I love apple juice.
separation.
Wow, cool. That looks like a beautiful juice. I'm excited. Yeah, it's just kind of sucking the last little bit of it left down in there now. I'd say it doesn't take that long to make the juice either, really. Yeah. That's probably enough for the two of us as well.
Yeah. You have to factor in the cleanup. Too.
Yeah, you do.
But
seems like that's most of it.
Yeah.
I'll turn it off and see if I can get that apple in the right spot.
On a scale of 1 to dryness, how much juice do we yield?
It's not too wet at all, really. Like
no, it's like
pretty dry.
Yeah, it's not even. I wouldn't even call it moist.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's like you can feel a little bit of moisture, but it's like pretty much dry.
Yeah. Excuse the F-bomb.
Excuse the F-bombs. We can just bleep that. I'll try my best not to get that apple there.
Alright, we'll be back with a taste test.
Ooh, yeah. Actually, also I wanted to mention like the foam level too.
Yeah, the foam's not too bad.
No, there's not very much foam. I'm just going to give it a stir and see. Oh, look how beautiful that juice looks.
Oh yeah, that's health right
That's
there.
celery, apples, carrots, beets, and ginger. Is there anything else?
Raw living food.
I think that's pretty much it. Apples, beets, celery, carrots, and ginger, yeah. Yeah, so there's like a tiny touch of foam. Like.
Okay, let's give it a pour and a taste.
Okay. Definitely smells very beety.
Yeah, beets are pretty dominant.
Which is great because I love beets. So nice, like a ruby red concoction. Wow, you get two
full glasses
out of it. Yeah, wow.
Beautiful.
So nice.
Shall you want to have the first taste test?
Sure. Okay, I'll try it even with just the foam on top.
Okay, she takes the big glass. I didn't notice that.
Well,
it's okay. It's fine. You can go on over.
Wow. That was a perfect amount of ginger.
I was telling you. You taste the ginger?
Yeah, a little bit. It's not like spicy or anything.
Yeah.
It's just like a little tingle on the tip of the tongue.
Yeah, so if you were going to make juice and you're going to put ginger in, unless you're a champ, maybe...
I just want to drink this all day.
Be sparing with the ginger. Did you want to get me while I taste this?
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
Put on my best attire for this occasion. Sweet, a little bit of spice from the ginger.
Yeah.
It could take a bit more.
Yeah, it's got a bit of like an earthy to it as well with the celery and the beets, but I really like that. This tastes nourishing.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet, but like she said,
it's not like
you get the little bit of sweet
and spice.
The salty flavor of the celery. The carrots also come through.
Yeah.
It's good.
I like it.
So how would we rate this juicer?
Okay, do we have any gripes about it at all? Like,
as far as our first use, I don't.
I think that was pretty easy to figure out. Like, yeah, there's like a bit of
hardest
troubleshooting.
thing to know is just make sure this clicks down. Yeah. It's
a bit of a tough.
That's got to click down.
It's kind of nice too because then you know that it's safe too. So that's good.
Yeah. Out of 10 stars, what would you give it?
I think I'd probably give it like 9.5.
Am I on the camera?
Cheers. What would you give it?
9.5?
Your honest opinion.
It's hard to... We'll see the cleanup. I think the cleanup
is important too.
But I'll leave that out of the review. I'll give it a 9. Because the juice is really good.
The juice is really good. I feel like it yielded a pretty good amount of juice.
Yeah. It has a pretty wide tube, which is nice.
And you can open it up too and throw a bunch of stuff in and close it.
And it made the juice quick. I think
and
that's
this was
important.
quite dry. Yeah, it didn't take too long. It's not too loud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
It's yummy.
Mmm.
I've never had fresh juice before. This is really good.
So yummy.